going on here? What is Good morning everyone. Let's get this bread. Um yeah, why is this? Yo, what's going on? What are we looking at here? Hey, give me I don't know what's up with this with what's showing. Does that show up? Yo, there's something wrong with this. Hey, this is why we get on the stream early. Good morning, family. Good morning, Chase. Good morning, Derek. Good morning, the Victory Mash. Having some technical difficulties here. We're about to get rid of this. We're about to get rid of this screen because I don't know what's going on right now. There's just yeah, it's just stuck like that. All right, so we're gonna get rid of the some different layers. Let's see, but I'll still be here, so no need to worry. I think. All right, so everything's gone. It's just me. Let's see if we can get it started. Let's see if we can figure out what's up. All right, so what is it? Okay, let's call this. Yeah, let's label these so I know what they are. Oh, okay, that's what's going on. Um, Not supposed to show the whole screen. There we go. Still kind of. Where we at? All right. Then we just. Oh, there we go. Kind of. Yeah. All right. Little technical difficulties going on. Here, let's extend that out. There we go. All right. Here we are. Green Day twice. Yeah, we got a Green Day twice. All right, let me show y'all why I don't. Oh, I don't trust it. I do not trust it. Let's start out with actually first off, good morning, my life be like. Good morning, Jodi. Good morning, Elegant Boom. Good morning, Brandon. Good morning, Sergio. Good morning, Yoko. Good morning, C Smooth. So happy to see y'all here this morning. All right, so this morning. Oh, and good morning. So yeah, looking at it, yo, we've had this trend line that we've kind of been following down since March 26th. So almost a month now. We faked out once over here. As of right now, we this candle is living completely above, but I haven't like I'm not completely ruling out a fake out right now. So I'm thinking this it could be a fake out, but also I would love to see us come up here as well. Nah, yeah. Stock Market, good morning. D Scurv, good morning. LMAO, yeah. Yo, I'm gonna say that's all Trump right there. That's all Trump. It's like it is, and I'm gonna say it's 100%. Like this man he's manipulating the market with his tweets and stuff. Only thing is, I don't think this is it either. I think he's trying to buy himself time, and it's like not gonna lie, it's getting a little annoying, but it is what it is. Gotta roll with the punches. Uh, Mona, good morning. Master DRC, good morning. Isaac, good morning. Oh yeah, you're talking about their earnings. So yeah, so Tesla, like their earnings were bad, and yeah, the only reason that they're up like they are is just because of what Trump said. I wouldn't say they were. I don't think Tesla itself was bailed out. Maybe like the temporary stock movement, but I don't think I don't think Trump's intention is to move the stocks. I know he knows the stocks are going to move, but I think his focus is on the bond markets, and it's like he's trying to keep things from going bad there, and it's just really helping out stocks while it's going on. Rodney, good morning. Kim, good morning. You're glad Nvidia is above 104? Oh, why am I just on one chart right now? Let's split it up. There we go. All right, here let's Loki, this is kind of overwhelming now. Here let's shrink those down. Yeah, so we got a lot of like trend lines being crossed. Oh yeah, want to mention SoFi. So SoFi, after it finally breaks that range, and I'm like, yo, let's grab a call. It's like, yeah, it's time to run. Thought that was a possibility, or knew it was a possibility. Was hoping it wouldn't, but it happened, and I still, oh, it's in the supply zone. If it comes up to the extreme of the supply zone up here at the top of this liquidity, I'll grab a short because it hasn't reacted to this yet. Amazon's up more than Amazon's up kind of big off last night. What do you think about SPY today? Yo, the SPY is I'm hoping that the SPY, like, I have no idea, honestly. There is so much that the SPY can do that it's like I kind of don't want to do anything with it. It's like if this full candle, if we finish, I think it'll be around, what is it, like 11:30 Central Time, maybe 11:30, 12:30 Eastern Standard, whatever time this candle closes. Oh, maybe it's done at 11. At 11, if this candle is like up here, I think it can continue to run. Like, I think this can push higher. I think, yeah, we could try to move to this next level. But if I don't know, if we just, like, if at 11 we're kind of back or still in this area, I feel like we're coming back down. But yeah, as of right now, like where we are, I have no idea what to expect from the SPY. Like, I could see it going up, touching this resistance. I can see it coming down and just falling. I Yeah, I think we'll just have to wait and see. Cause it's right here at the trend line, and it's like it's either gonna be a break or it's gonna be a fake, but it's gonna take like pretty much the whole time we're on stream to figure out what actually happens with that. But yeah, it's like I don't this news that came out, I don't think it's going to live very long. Like, it might live long today, but I think he's going to say something and then it's going to turn around. And they're just really messy when it comes to trading. Rohan, good morning. I was in that SoFi put with you yesterday. No, I didn't. I'm a little upset though, cause those SPY puts I grabbed. Yo, I got like the perfect average down. Like, I grabbed it at like SPY came up where I wanted, a little bit higher. Like, I was with my brother. Where is it? All right, so yesterday, like right here, SPY at like, I guess it's at like 529.50 or so. Yo, I grabbed two more puts. And then it ran up, came down to like 522. And I'm like, oh yeah, it's gonna keep moving. And then I like look back, it's at like 528 or what. I was like, what happened to it? And Yeah, it just didn't happen. I was like, dang, I should have took the profit right away or set my stop. I did not. It's like now it's at like that would have been sure profits. Now it's like I still think this can do some work because it expires in like what, like 10 days or so? Something like that. Might be 12. I don't know. It expires on the 2nd, I believe. Let me see. Oh, no, no. I don't have. Wait. Oh, no. I thought I had more time on this spy put. Wait, is that the put I got? Dang. Dang, I thought I had more time on that spy put. I got my puts mixed up. All right, let's see. Why are spy contracts so high? Volatility. Yeah, as the VIX is the VIX is lower than it was yesterday, but yeah, the when you get moves like this, yeah, spy contracts are gonna go crazy. Yeah, Jordan, I still got those puts, unfortunately, and it's like, yo, I got the perfect average down. Like I bought them at 100, like 102 or what? Maybe it was like 110. Hold on, oh, market's open. Market's open. Here, real quick, real quick. Thoughts on Walmart? Here, we'll take a look at that real quick. Oh, Walmart's selling off. It's right now it's following the plan. Unfortunately, it did it after hours because I said if they crossed this, I was gonna grab a put, but they crossed that level before, so I'm not gonna, or they crossed it in the after hours, so I'm not gonna do anything with it. STNE, we might have to look at that later. Yeah, we got PMI at 945. Appreciate you, M Sense. All right, so right now, nothing too crazy going on. SoFi sold off a little bit. Tesla selling off to start the day. Yeah, we'll see how things go. Where is Nvidia's next resistance? Let's see. I think I had like 106 above this. Yeah, I got 106 being kind of the next level if it really wants to go. And then let's see. Spy heat mad crazy green. Hey, we'll have to see how things go. All right, so hey, FNGA, hey, that thing ran. Hey, talk about a little short term little Trump pump. Black and Wild, good morning. All right, let's get this money, Chef Nick. Watch out for TTD. What's going on with TTD? Oh, it's up a little bit. I wouldn't really say too much about it right now. Um, like I'm not too enticed until it needs to get above at least 55 before I'm like real enticed by it. Christine, good morning. Kareem, good morning. Since the market is green, is it a good time to short gold? I think people were saying yesterday there was a whole lot of that going on, but I'm not a gold bug, so I'm not like I can't really say about the gold. But yeah, I've seen a lot of people saying they were going to start taking profits on their gold. A lot of people are actually like moving more like moving that to Bitcoin and stuff. Evil Knievel, good morning. One time 15, good morning. Yeah, the spy put does not look good, and I was very much so tripping because I got like the perfect entry on like a average down yesterday. That was that they did me dirty with the timing of that news. It's like when I saw it went from like 110 to like 200, and then yo, it just died. I thought it was gonna keep going, but also I don't trust the spy right here. Like I feel, yeah, I'm not trusting anything right now. Nah, Evil Knievel, I did not. It's like I should have when I saw that 200, but did not. Okay, let's see. The central bank is expected to purchase 925 tons of gold in 2025. Hey, that's good. That's good. See what price they end up buying it. Hold up. Okay. All right. So yeah, SoFi is getting a little reaction to the downside for from this supply zone. Tesla's selling off. Let's see. Okay, so Tesla is testing what I had to be its support, or it's about to. Kind of going for it pretty fast too. Yeah, Tesla's earnings was not good, but they did say what they needed to about Elon Musk, but also that was before Trump kind of said what he said that pumped the market. But let's see. Here, let me check options. I might be a little crazy today. Let me see. Let's see what we got rolling here. I might do a little. Here, let's see. Might get a little straddle action. Ooh, hold up. That's for the puts. Let's see. What's that? Dang, these contracts are expensive. All right, so for now, I'm gonna grab an early one. I grabbed a 526 put that expires tomorrow. Maybe I'm trying to grab it, but might not be getting filled. We'll see. We'll see if I get filled. Nah, it's going up in price. They're trying to run up the price on me. Okay, now it's coming down. All right. Oh dang, that really came down. Hold up. Oh yeah, it's coming down now. Okay. Might be able to get a better strike. Okay. Cool. Oh yeah, hold up. Oh dang, this thing okay, these prices are moving. They're all over the place. Bro, hmm. Okay, now the spread is just nasty. Okay. Y'all see how much it's jumping around? Yo, it's all over the place. Bro, I just saw these really good prices. And they're like teasing me with these prices. All right. Here, let's see. Okay. What they say about Elon? So they just said that Elon should be coming back to his time at Doge should be done soon. Lucky J, top of the morning. No, yeah, it definitely seems like it's in an upward trend. SPY seems like from yesterday, it's in an upward trend. Um, it's also kind of yeah. It should come up to like from this move right here. We actually got a sweep of liquidity if you look at it. So over here, from what I was saying a couple days ago when I was talking to y'all about a sweep of liquidity, when you talk about the ranges and everything, that whole strategy, if you look at it, we had the range here. We set the first low. We swept the low over here. And then yeah, the top of the range is over here. So after the range is done at like 547, it's free to do whatever. Yeah, Robinhood's up 9% on the day. That's wild. Kind of wild. My the SPY put's gone up since I looked at it. What happens when you place a call before market opens? So it doesn't. You said your wife told you that too. I wish my wife told me that. I gotta tell my wife that stuff. Um, when you place a call on the SPY before it's open, it kind of just sits there, and if the price hits like during the time the market is open, it'll get filled, but it just kind of sits and waits to see if it's gonna like hit that fill price. I think we hold up. Well, we're like 12 minutes in. It's weird the VIX is going down, but like the contracts I was looking at are still more expensive, and the price of the SPY is going up too. Got me tripping a little bit right now. All right, so here real quick. So now like similar to that move I was talking about. So to those of y'all that weren't here the other day when I was kind of talking about the ranges and talking about, wait, what do you think about a put on TSLL? I gotta figure out. So I was about to look at it with the SPY. Tesla's moving the same way as the SPY pretty much, other than like it being kind of a little bit ahead. But kind of got to figure out. So, let's see. Let me analyze the SPY first. So like what I was telling y'all about like this being the range and then this being the first low, and then when we swept that, we would kind of go and try to like push up. This was the move. We got like a nice clean move. This is kind of the beauty of being on the 4 hour. I've just been a little bit more afraid to like ride those things, but there should also be a move like this on the downside, because this, we did have this move on, like we did have this move on the, I guess this is technically, it's a 4 hour, but this is also like a 1 hour move, because our full range is actually, this is our current range and we're still bearish overall. So we made a range right here. Oh, we made a first, I don't know, first high, second high. We're still kind of making our move. So honestly, yeah, if we can get up here, yeah, I think we can push up for a little bit. I'm still bearish though. Like best move would be if we can get up here. But even if we come to like 548, 547, a little bit, that would pretty much be the inverse of this. So because of that, I'm still gonna hold my SPY puts, because they still have potential. I'm not gonna get anything new, but I'm gonna still hold those SPY puts. All right, let's look at Tesla now. So Tesla's actually technically in a bullish range. So range is from, it kind of goes from 217 up here. They had their first low. Oh, Tesla's still like very internal. So right here, it's like I don't necessarily love the idea of them coming down. I think Tesla could be like this could be, they actually could move up. I don't know how to feel about it. Cause right now they're very much unless this is their first low. I don't know. Tesla's it's kind of, it's very ugly. They didn't leave like any clear liquidity or didn't have like a clear move. Good morning, family. Nvidia did me right out of, hey, good stuff. Let's see what Nvidia did. Let me check it out. Oh, nice. Hey, yeah, that's nice. Looking real good on those. All right, so really interested in Amazon as well. Let's see. Palantir looking good. Here, let's see. Dang. Oh yeah, Palantir's yeah, it's taking out everything. Let's see what's next. Next area, Palantir should have resistance, or next supply zone on Palantir. I'm gonna be right over here. And that might be able to take you as low as anywhere from kind of 101.77 down to 96, looks like, just looking at the range. So yeah, that's where that's what it looks like the next kind of line in the sand is for Palantir. Let's see. Or actually, hold on, I might be missing one right now. Nah, that's where it looks like the next kind of line in the sand is. Now I'm looking to buy CSP and start the wheel. So far, still working on topping out. Nah, yeah, let SoFi go. Let's see it. Hold on 1 second. Let's all right, I want to see how the SPY does kind of in this area. Got a little resistance here. I'd like to. So they've tested that resistance. Let's see how they do up, if they can get up there. Bro, I'm looking at these puts and they keep going up, and I feel like they keep going up in price. Might be telling us something. SoFi still working on topping out. Oh no, I'm starting to feel better looking at the SPY. I feel like if the SPY can push up there, that'll be good. I'm noticing, like, I'm looking at the RSI now. I'm seeing that we're kind of got some multiple factors of confluence. SoFi will be better for a shortest up there. Palantir is already kind of up there. I would love to see Palantir up here. Yeah, we got some. I'm waking up. I'm clearing up now. I feel like, yeah, we got opportunity coming our way. All right, real quick, let's check the data we got coming in. All right, so we got flash manufacturing services already, and we have new home sales in 8 minutes. So yeah, I'm starting to feel good. We're still like pushing. So yeah, we get like a little pump this morning. The Qs is really pushing. We might have to move this one up to the next one. Next little area. Slide that up there because they kind of already hit that first one. No, I had talked about getting a call on SoFi yesterday. At the same time, I grabbed the put, but I was like, nah, let me just grab the put. But nah, I'm in a put right now. But I still think the put has a chance. Cause I feel like this is gonna be a fake out. We're about to be oversold on everything. We're approaching levels on a lot of things. Like good kind of levels for a reversal. So oddly enough, I feel like Tesla can continue up more, whereas I feel like everything else can go down. Oh, it's a weird thing. I'm not fully sure about Tesla, but I feel like we kind of push up on things and then come down some more. Is SQQ treated like so they're both triple leveraged, but SQQ goes down as the market comes up. Let's take a quick look at SQQQ because I know we were talking about like there were some derived puts on those. Oh yeah, I think those puts hit. Yeah, those puts definitely hit. It's like it didn't seem like it was going to happen, but yeah, those puts played out. Like even the ones that seemed kind of crazy, because the furthest ones I saw were like for like 36. SQQQ's at 34 now. That's kind of wild. It's like it didn't seem like it was going to happen either. SPY rocketed. I lean towards puts after I profit more than $10. Two-day options are better. Jodi, I'm up 32% on the 526 put tomorrow. You're up on it, bro. It's wild. Like these like I think somebody knows something because these puts are the premiums are like creeping up, even though it's not really. Dang. Yo, we haven't even moved towards like where I was trying to get in, but the stuff I was looking at, the puts I was looking at, yo, they're already up. Like I was looking at some different ones now. They're already up a solid like probably like 15%, and we haven't even like really moved anywhere yet. I hope we can get a little push up, but yeah, my thesis was like this could be like a little fake out. I would like to see us get oversold first, so we still got some data in 5 minutes. Hopefully it pushes us up some more. SMCI. Oh, it's been a minute since I looked at that. What's going on with SMCI? Oh, it's up 12%. Okay. It's kind of a resistance now though. It's like everything's up pretty good. Honestly, this percentage wise, other than FNGA, SMCI looks the highest percentage wise. Other than Tim. Do I ever play with not no, I don't play with currencies really. I made 70 on the SQQQ put, got out right away. Hey, good stuff, Sherry. No, after SPY goes up more than $10, I buy puts at least. Wait, okay, hold up. These the chat's out of order. Let me switch to live chat. Yo, I'm over here trying to watch the price like of these puts as the price is going up. Honestly, like looking at the way these contracts are moving, that's like telling me that the market's going to come down. I'm really just trying to, like, I'm trying to time it, but I would have been better off even if I bought a put when it was down here and closer to the money. So I'm hoping we can push up and get up there. But I think somebody knows something, like just looking at the way things are going. Because the VIX isn't even like really moving up or anything. But the puts are getting more expensive. The PCE, let's take a quick look at the PCE. Hey, PCE is nice and low too. Definitely made room for some shorts. In TradingView, why do I have times at bottom left of software and times at top left? If you're talking about these times are different time frames. Oh, okay, I got you. I never pay attention to these at the bottom, so you can see as I hover over. If I click on like Amazon, for instance, right here it says 1 day, and the 1 day it shows it in 1 minute intervals. So this is every candle is going to be a minute, and it's going to show me enough candles to see the day. So right here I can see the whole day right there. If I want to see the whole time, 5 days in 5 minute intervals, that's what it looks like. If I want to see 1 month in 30-minute intervals, so that's what that is. If you hover over it, it'll kind of tell you. But yeah. Okay, so now, all right, the put's getting cheaper. It's getting cheaper. I might. No, I was still waiting on the level though. There's still a good little spread on it. But I'm watching. Hey Jeremy, top of the morning. Milky Faye, good morning. Anything on Derive? Let's see. So actually Derive has a, hold up, they got a Tesla put. That's a scalp. That was from 26 minutes ago, so that's not relevant. CMG is a swing. CMG. Oh wait, isn't that Chipotle? What is this? So they got a CMG call. It was when it was at 49.22. And it's oh no, I don't really care for that one. They got a SPY day trade, and it's for a put. It's for a 520 put that expires on the 28th. I kind of that one kind of falls in line with what I was looking at. Let me see. Yeah. So even with that one, like the price of the stock was lower, but the value of it was higher, or the value of the contract was lower too. It's weird. And then they got one more on, what is, I don't know what this is. Let's see. Lumen Technologies. So Lumen Technologies is a put. Kind of right in this area. It was a, I don't really like that one either. Yeah, I kind of like the SPY though. So here, we'll add it to the watch list. So the SPY, it was a SPY put. And I think it expired on the 28th. And it's a day trade. It was a 520. Dang. They had it at 118. Where is it? Yeah, they had it at 118, but that was when it was lower. So, oh, it's very weird. These contracts are being and the VIX is dropping too. It's not making sense. Trump is talking about easing up on tariffs to buy. So the news already kind of has pumped the market. That's what happened overnight. That's why the market is up already, because of is up because of what Trump has said. Okay, so bottom stuff doesn't. I don't ever use it really, but it's a good kind of quick reference. It looks like SPY is struggling to get above this resistance. Yeah, this might end up being liquidity. I'm here. Let me. What are we looking like on the? Did we get? Yeah, we got that data. Here, I'll probably. Let's go down a little bit. I'm gonna come down to a 5. I still see like a little, still got like a little trend we're riding. Like it's like we got have some wicks. Here, I'm gonna watch on the 5 minute though. See if we can keep riding. If we break that, I'll start trying to grab something. All right, let's see. All right, the put prices are coming down. That's cool. Hey, just cause oh wait, hold up. Let's see. Yeah, the put prices are coming down. But the SPY's not really going up like that, but all right, I grabbed 2/5/20 puts that expire on the 28th. Just these are kind of placeholders. It's like I think we're gonna have a larger fall, but these are placeholders. Yeah, I grabbed them at 112 a share. So I'll grab more if we come up here to 548, but I wanted to get in. Just grabbed 520 SPY puts expiring. What is it? The 28th. Paid. What is it? 112 per share. There we go. I trust your SPY put, especially since it shot up, but I checked to say and see, and tomorrow there isn't too many interests. Hope your SPY goes up to 250 so I can sell. You said yeah, volatility for sure. I want to look at that SPY put I was first looking at real quick, just to see how it moved. I was looking at tomorrow. What was it, like a 225.27? Okay, it came back down. But yeah, we're just gonna watch this trend line, see how it goes. So right now we're on a 5 minute trend line, but also we got this trend line that I drew on the 4 hour. I'm not sure, like where I'm at right now is like I feel like this is a fake out, but we don't know if it's a fake out till 11 Central Time. So right now, down on the 5 minute, seeing kind of what happens. Yeah, I saw that too. Last night SPY went crazy after hours. I was like, dang. I'm like, wow. This thing is moving. Looks like SPY is struggling to get above this resistance. Hold on. George, good morning. The SPY put equal TQQQ put? Kind of. So TQQQ is going to be based off of the QQQ. So TQQQ equals QQQ put. I wouldn't say T, because the SPY and QQQ don't always move exactly the same. They'll move very similarly, but sometimes they move different amounts. Like the SPY is up 3.11% today, while the Qs is up 3.71%. So not always. It's similar. AC3, good morning. Do you think Nada is going to keep? Is that a ticker symbol? What is this? Keep dropping into I don't think this is what you're talking about. Also, is there a cheaper ticker to trade? SPY. If you're trying to trade like actually buy the shares, yes, there are. But whenever it comes to options, there aren't any where you're actually going to get good order fill. Here, let's see. Was wondering if you could give me technical review on where you think SPY could be in a year. Yeah, we can kind of talk about long-term stuff. Like pinpointing a year, that's kind of tough, but like talking about longer term moves, yeah, we can talk about that. SPY equal SPLG. That could be one. Okay, NVIDIA. Okay, dropping into the fair value gap. I mean, it's possible. So that fair value gap would be like 99.74. It's very well possible. There's also a gap down to 96 as well. So, NVIDIA kind of moved differently from some of the other ones, but like where SPY is, it's like it could. Where is it at? It's like it's in a position to where it could ideally fall and make some lows. All right. Okay, so let's look at SPY on a higher time frame just to kind of see. All right, so I'm probably going to start out on the 1 week trying to see where things can go. Actually, it looks kind of nasty. Here, let me clear up this range because I feel like I got too much going on. All right, so looking at where we are from the SPY, ideally, so we're currently in a downtrend. Looking at the weekly, looking at kind of supply, like where the weekly supply zone would be, kind of right here. So if we came up anywhere from 557 to about 570, hey, that's the weekly supply zone. So just kind of looking at it, that would be the next area that we would probably sell off like heavier. So that's like a next like weekly supply zone just because we're in a downtrend. We've already kind of reacted to this demand zone a little bit. Actually could push us higher, not sure. But yeah, just kind of like on the path that we're on. It's like weekly could send us up here, going to the next level here. And then it really just kind of comes down to like how much momentum it gives us. It should more than likely take us to at least this, like it should be able to get us to this like maybe 518 again if it comes down here. And from here, if it puts in a higher low, then it can, we can keep pushing up. But it's like, it's kind of tough to say. It's like I can just kind of say next level's on the trend. I mean, we might be able to zoom out a little bit more to the monthly. And if we look at this on the monthly, it's like right now it looks like we faked out on the 13 EMA. But on the monthly, we had this demand zone right here. So yeah, this is monthly demand. Got like a quick little wick here. So this was kind of like a sweep of liquidity on the monthly. And honestly, it's possible for this to take us higher. So ideally, this takes us up to, once again, about that 570 level. And it's like, as of right now, we're still on the monthly. We're still, here, let's see. Yeah, I guess we on the monthly we may have, we're either consolidating or we cross to the downside. Like we'll have to see how this month closes out, but on the monthly we still need to see what happens. Like you can kind of call this a structure shift to the downside, but I don't know. It doesn't seem like that much when you look at it on the monthly. So honestly, it's hard to say where we could be in a year. There's like so much at play. How much time did you get on the SPY put? I got to the 28th. It's this one right here. So I got in at 112, but we added it here at 124. Octa big today. It's about the time frame that it was saying for that Octa trade. Let's see. Oh yeah, that Octa, yeah, that would have paid off. Yeah, that's already in the money. I think it was like what was it, like a $96 call? Ooh, that's crazy. I was going to get in too. It was just cents away. Bruh, that's wild. So close. Here, let me see if they got any more that looks like bangers like that. Cause that Octa looks good. I was just trying to. All right, so they got another Walmart put on here. It's a day trade. They got a $90 put. Here, let's look at Walmart. Oh no, I already know Walmart's in a. It was in a supply zone actually. Let's see. Let's see what Walmart's looking like. Oh, actually, I really like that. I really like that Walmart put. But that's a day. It's a day trade. It says $90 put. I think I already have some Walmarts. I have these $85 puts. I'm gonna just ride those for now. We'll see what happens with them. I think I got more time on them. They're the same expiration too. All right, so yeah, they put out some for $90 puts. All right, we got the SPY kind of pulling back a little bit. But yeah, Walmart, if you're not in a Walmart put, Derive posted a Walmart $90 put. That's supposed to be a day trade. They're $37. It looks really good because they're in the supply zone right now. And there's this liquidity right here. So I think that's a really good trade. Yeah, it's like my target I would probably try to ride it to $93. I really like that. I'm just not going to do it because I'm already in a Walmart put. I'm not trying to like double up. But I really like that. How do you track the price of puts and calls? So I will either like if it's something I'm not in, I will just go and look at the option chain. So for instance, let's come over here. If I wanted to look at if I just wanted to look at the SPY or anything like that, I would just come over, hit trade options, and it's like I can see the prices that they're going for as they move and whatnot. So this is how I track what I'm not in. And then if I want to like actually see it and be able to follow it, I would just click on it, add to watch list, and then when I go to the watch list, it's going to be there. I don't know which one I just clicked on. It was I think it was this one. But yeah, it's like you can see it and it shows kind of the price. But let me take that off the watch list. All right, so we got a little sell-off action. Let's see. Sonia, good morning. If Nvidia breaks above 105, it can go to 114. Likely could. Let me get back to the. Okay, yeah. Let's Yeah, let me. So we're. It looks like we're breaking on the 5 minute. Yeah, that would be a good yes it can go there, D Scurv. Hey, I had Kava by the way last night. They made it right. There've been a couple times recently I was like, yo, what's going on with Kava? They didn't make it right, but hey, last two times I went, yo, it was right. Also, at top of the morning. Thoughts on TQQ calls today? I would be a lot more hesitant on those just because how much is already ran. It's like it can do more, but it's like I would want to see the Qs break this 465 level first. All right, so SPY puts are up. I personally am in need of a win. So because of that, I'm gonna have to I'll set like a stop here pretty soon on these SPYs for a day trade. Here, let's see. Mad Gang, yes, Mad Gang, let's go. Dang, missed it. What do you think a cash secured put on TSLL? Wait, don't look too bad. Honestly, no, yeah, I don't think it's too bad. It's like I think it could get better, but I don't think it's bad. I think it would have been better yesterday, but is the Walmart put still at a good entry? Yeah, I would say so. In my eyes, Walmart still looks good at these levels. All right, yeah, SPY moving. Let's see if it can like I don't know. Let's see if it can get down here. Quick little day trade. You can buy options, but no. I mean, you can put orders in for options before our hours, but it's market hours, but it's not going to get filled. So it's like if you put the order in and it's not at the price that you need it to be at when the market opens, you may just not get filled. So just be aware of that. I'm telling you, I miss it bad. The only thing that redeemed me this week was a trip to Cologne. Cologne? Food is so good. Okay. Hey, good to hear. Hey, maybe. Okay. Hey, here was something. I think I heard this yesterday. Actually, I wanna do a poll. I'm gonna ask y'all real quick here. Let me end this poll. So 67% say green. All right, let's start a new one. Okay. So it's gonna be Chipotle in Mexico. Good bad. Hold on, let's see. Yeah, I want to see what y'all's take is on this. Let me let's see. Ooh, what was that? Oh, okay. Where are we at? Where is it at? Come on. All right. Hey, y'all tap in for that poll. Oh dang. Spy trying to recover. Let's see it. Let's see if we get a retest here. Hopefully it's a break and retest. If not, hey, that may have been the opportunity right there. All right, so all right, and how come Tesla stock price is increasing even with bad quarter report? Okay, so their price was at break even, but Trump announced some. He made it seem as though like kind of tariff agreements are. I don't know. He's willing to start negotiating. Like things are. He made things seem positive with like tariff agreements and stuff like that. So because of that, the market is up, and that's why Tesla is up so big. Because beforehand, they did not move that crazy. It's like they're also like it also was good that like Elon Musk is supposedly coming back pretty soon, but it what was I gonna say? But it wouldn't have been like really in the green because of that. Because at that point in time, it was kind of break even in the after hours, so not much going on. Wait, okay. Where? Hold on. Where is that? Where was that question at? Did it just disappear? Oh, okay. Big Red is good. Grand Rising. Can't see my RSI alerts. Is it only me? Uh, Here, let me set an RSI alert on Tesla. Let's see. Oh, I guess we gotta wait for it to like actually hit it, but hold on, I'm not even sure. I'm not even sure it's set just now. Let's see. I'm not sure it's working. Maybe not. Yeah, maybe it's not just you. Right now it's having trouble saving the alerts. So it might not just be you, cause yeah, it's not exactly mine aren't saving. So it might not just be you. Food and cologne doesn't. Yeah, I mean like yeah, when you look at the name, it looks like yeah, it looks like colon, but it's cologne. Okay. Yeah. It sounds like you might be talking about the doctor or something. Hey, Will the CNA, top of the morning. Uh, you said good morning. What do you mean? How is the one in Mexico? So I don't think they have any in Mexico yet. Maybe they do, but Chipotle is they're supposedly expanding to Mexico and about to. Here, let's actually pull Chipotle up real fast. Where are they? So Chipotle, Mexican grills, no. Okay, so anyways, just yesterday I saw something about them like having stores in Mexico or putting stores in Mexico. I gotta look this up. We still sure about Walmart. Nothing AC3, nothing is a sure thing. Everything is probabilities. I would say probabilities are high, but no, we're not sure about anything because anything can happen in the market. So no, we're not. I would say we were never sure about Walmart, but I would say um, I would have a high, like I have a high, like I would say there's a high probability that Walmart is going to reverse. It's like it may not happen today. Actually, I would say like this candle looks like it could end up being down here, but it's like it's gonna take some time. The Caribbean side here, the food is a lot better. Oh, okay, I see. Chipotle will get destroyed in Mexico unless they can somehow meet the cheap street prices. All right. Well, honestly, I think it'll kind of depend. Like it's like if you think if they go to like the touristy areas, like I don't know. It's like if you all the Americans that like just kind of travel and tour down there, if they can I don't know if they said oh yeah we use like we only use water bottled water to wash the stuff and people don't have to worry about like the whole issues with their stomach and stuff. Hey, might be something. Yeah, the food will likely be sourced differently too. I would say Chipotle and the whole idea would be from Mexico. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like it's like, yo, I mean you gotta try it to know, but it's like yo, it's like I don't know. I don't know how to feel about it. But yeah, we'll see. Okay, 39% said bad. Okay. At Chipotle and Mexican near tourist attractions will be profitable for sure. Americans are spoiled. They would eat it even. Yeah. Yeah, that's like what Emma so I was like looking at Amazon. So Amazon it looks like Amazon was looking like so I know they have earnings coming up. Honestly, I wouldn't want to do anything with Amazon like I don't like looking at structurally compared to everything else. Amazon should be up here at like or like be close to like 195 if it were moving like everything else. So Amazon's already up pretty big, but it's like it should be at 195. There is some liquidity over here at 188, but like chart wise, I feel like it should be at 195 just kind of looking at everything else. So I just got my eye on it, but it's also pretty close to being oversold, so I'm just watching like if it gets to a point where it's like oversold like that, it's like okay. But yeah, Amazon is looking extra bullish. I feel like it can keep going, but also it's like yo, I'm not gonna chase it either. SQQ calls are looking. Yeah, that could be something. Let me refresh and see if they got anything on Derive. Let's see. They got a put on J&J. Oh, that's from like 32 minutes ago. All right. Chipotle is whitewashed. Hey, 100%. Yeah, it's like yeah, it's very Americanized, but hey, when you look to the company or the country spending or that would likely spend the most money there, that's I think that would be their target. So maybe they're not quite as prevalent in Mexico. All right, the Q's is it looks like it's heading towards that like looks like it's heading toward that next little bit of liquidity. So like going back to Amazon and what I was saying. So how this is right here, this little like if we look at this candle right here, that same little spot on Amazon, like the bottom of that's 190. Top of that's like 194. With the SPY or with the Qs, the bottom's like 164 or 464, and the top's like 468. Y'all, it was raining so bad this morning. I thought it was gonna be hold up. Let's go Nvidia. What's Nvidia doing? Still moving. Yeah, we still going this morning. And QBTS is up 17%, 18%. See what else we got moving big. QUBT's up 13. Tim's up like dang 16.6. All right, SPY pushing again. Here, let me see what. What do you think about riding? You said until the previous high. With FNGA, I would probably just I would what is it? You're talking about up here at 365? It's possible. So the 365 is possible. The 400 is possible. It really just depends on like what comes of this little move right here. Like FNGA is still we're still not oversold or anything. It's like I feel like we're just gonna what is this? I feel like we're just pushing to kind of get oversold. Hey, top of the morning, Sir Henry. Elegant boom. Let's see. Yeah, it was raining super hard here in San Antonio too. Yeah, I know y'all got that river down there. Oh, it's like bet it was. But yeah, the rain was crazy. I think San Antonio was probably like 5 hours away from me, if I had to guess. Something like that. a bit of a drive for me, but yeah, the rain came out of nowhere to me. It's like yesterday. Yesterday was the first day I felt like I was like burning outside. Like I was like, dang, okay, it's time for my pool to open up because yeah, it's too hot for me to just be outside. Now I was over here taking out the trash and I was legit burning. All right, so we got 42 people said let's see with the Chipotle. That's kind of my approach. It's like yo, it's like we don't know what's gonna happen. You know, sometimes you get surprised. It's like if you look at Stanley, like the little mugs or whatever, those cups, bro, they were selling to men all these years. You think Spy will hit 550 before pulling a reversal? I would say let's take a look at how it kind of does at this 547, 548 area. That's kind of where I would like to see how it does next. It's possible, but it's like the Spy doesn't do what I think it'll do. It's like I can see what's possible for it, but it's like yeah, nobody knows. It's like yeah, weird things happen. Like yeah, once again going back to the Stanleys, yo, that used to be a man's mug. Then they started doing the colors, and then women started collecting them, and it's like yo, now their stock prices. Actually, I don't know about their stock price. I don't know if they're publicly traded, but hey, their sales through the roof. Got like little girls collecting them too. I'm like, dang. Like I know somebody who said it's like I don't know. It was probably like his 7 year old daughter or something wanted like a limited edition Stanley. It was like $300 or something like that. I was like, what? I'm like, why is a 7 year old want an expensive mug? And it makes sense. It's like it's you can get like game consoles for that. You can get computers for that. You can get an iPad for that. And like I think when I was not when I was 7, but when I was younger, I was like, yo, yeah, let me get that iPod Touch. When I look at one day on the bottom left corner, seems all stocks I'm watching are yeah, they're on an upward trend for today. So if you're gonna day trade, you ride the trend for the day. You can do that, but it's like if you look at a higher time frame, it's not. You see other things, so it's like depending on how you trade, what time frame you're on, you'll see different things. But yeah, if you look on the day, it's fairly. If you look at the past 2 days, we're very clearly in the day trade. Yeah, everything. Honestly, at this point, as far as we've ran on the day, it's like getting upside is risky, getting downside is risky. So it's like that is kind of that's kind of where we are. It's like they did everything after hours. So it's like when you open up like 2.7% up on the markets, yeah, it's going to be a very risky move. Things could change now, and yeah, yeah, they can. So that's what supply and demand and sweeps of liquidity kind of do. That's what makes trading a little difficult, and that's why like time gives more opportunity to be right. Does the ride have any day trades or only swing? So there was a day trade for J&J, but it it's gone. So I see a swing. So there's a swing on Nvidia. It's a 111 call. Okay. Okay, so now they're starting to put out there's a scalp on for a call on Amazon. Oh, that is way in the money. But the yeah, the Nvidia looks interesting. Let's see. Let's pull Nvidia up. Wait, where'd it go? Oh. Let's see. Oh, they get okay. There's some time for it. I like that. Yeah. So the Nvidia, I'll add that to the watch list. So the Nvidia is I think it's a 111 that expires May 9th, a call. And it's going right here at 180. So that one looks good. So yeah, we'll add that on there. Why hasn't my pending SPY call been fulfilled even after my break-even price has hit? Was it? If you are you trying to buy the call or are you trying to sell the call? You said how come no face? Oh, we can't see my. Oh, dang! I've been over here looking at my face. I didn't even realize y'all couldn't see. Honestly, it was just layered wrong. It's been here the whole time. It's just been underneath. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I had no idea. Yeah. If you go back to the very beginning of the stream, it was there, but there was like some technical difficulties with the video. So yeah, the face cam was not there. Okay, you tried to buy a call at 7:30. So the reason you probably it's probably still pending is because when the market opened, it was a lot higher than what you were trying to pay for it. So more than likely, unless the market comes down a lot, your order is probably not going to get filled. You said I would have said something, but oh no, yeah, I didn't fully do it on purpose. There was a point that I just didn't have it on, but nah, yeah, I don't have a problem with having it on. I'm just, yeah, it was, I just, yeah, there was some like complications. Like if you go back and like go to the beginning of the stream, it's like, I don't know, it was like showing like weird parts of my screen and like weird applications. And I figured out what was wrong, but like I kind of like reset everything. So, hey, top of the morning, Josh. Please explain the origins of the poll question. So Chipotle is apparently going to be a thing in Mexico. Apparently, they're going to start trying to put. Let me see if I can actually find the news so I can like read like a headline or something. Chipotle in Mexico. All right, so here's one. Chipotle heads south of the border with opening a first location in Mexico. So yeah, they're going to be opening Chipotle in Mexico, and I was just asking like, yo, how do y'all think it's gonna do? What do you think's gonna happen? Oh look, there's Tesla making the move I thought it was making. Okay, played out, played out. But yeah, yeah, Chipotle in Mexico. It's like yeah. Do we think it's gonna be good? Do we think it's gonna be bad? Um, or do we just need to wait and see? All right. I was gonna play a call on SQQQ, but the bid to ask her too wide. Would you speak on? So usually, like, it's usually easier, like whenever the spread is. I like to see the spread less than 5 cents on everything. It's like if it gets more than 5 cents, it's like yo, I'm a lot more hesitant. That's all I would say about the spread. It's like anything more than like 5 cents, it's like I'm not a fan of. But when it comes to the Qs like SQQQ, TQQQ, you could always get the shares, and those move. They're still 3x leverage, so that's good, and you don't have to worry about the time decay. When is everything gonna start turning around? Bought some puts trying to be patient. Josh, if I could tell you, bro, it's like when is Trump gonna show his hand again? It's like right now Trump is trying to like hold the bond market up, or he's trying to make sure the bond market is like okay. So that is the reason the market's up right now, because he's like, oh yeah, trade deal, or we look like we might start making some trade moves and stuff. But nah, he's just saying that to please the bond markets. All right, SPY trying to make a move again. I'm back. I'm I'm in the green on those SPY puts now. I would love if we could get some kind of move to like 539 or something, so I can just cut out, get a little win today. Let's see. Tesla ran all the way. Yeah, Tesla did. They ran to the top of their range. Tesla is very much a support and resistance holding today. I just saw a video saying Chipotle is in the top 5 dirtiest restaurants. Honestly, there's probably, I don't know, it's like a lot of restaurants are dirty and nasty, if we're completely real. But I have no idea. You said, do you think Chipotle will be a target for the cartel? Hey, the cartel is they're on those avocados, aren't they? They charge extra for guac at well, actually they charge extra for guac most places. But yeah, Chipotle people be paying extra for that guac. I'm red on puts for SPY. If okay, so I'm green on the SPY puts I got today. The ones I got yesterday, nah, I'm red on. If that's what you're talking about, DGZ. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, I don't even I'm not a big fan of guac or avocados. I got 5 of those SPY puts, so 537. I'm taking cash and running. Hey, it'll be cool if it runs to 537. I was trying to like get a move to like 539. But we'll see. They kind of might be like a little bit of a. Here, what are we looking like on the 10? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. They got some So they made some liquidity right here at 540.80. I wonder how Tesla stock is increasing. So it's up because of like what Trump said about the tariffs. Is not much to do with their earnings. I mean, there's a little bit of positivity because they said Elon Musk is likely coming back soon, but that's all. That's the only thing, Si. Yeah, we have till the 28th. That's part of the beauty in getting time. So yeah, hopefully they say something super scary and it spooks the markets and then yeah. I think it would be very interesting to see where our economy is a year from now. Like, do we think this is gonna do we think we'll be in a better place a year from now, or do you think we'll still be feeling pain? All right, that's gonna be the next poll. Let's ask. I'm about to hey, we're doing polls today. All right, so most of us said let's see with Chipotle. All right, Spy coming down. While it's coming down, I'm gonna do this poll. You said we'll still have pain. All right, hold on. Save it for the poll. Save it for the poll, Si. All right, let's see. All right, let's see. How do I word this question? Here, let's say 1 year from now, will we still feel the same level of pain? I'm just gonna say economically, cause y'all know what I'm asking. All right, so I'm asking a yes or no question, but I'm gonna say better. We're gonna have one for better, worse, about the same. We're gonna leave it with those three. We're just gonna have better, worse, and about the same. Want to see what y'all think. All right, always working to go up. Hey, that we are. That we are. Okay. Spy doing. Let me go back to a 5 real quick. See how that's looking. All right, let's see if we can get like our first full candle below this EMA. Also turn on the 48. See where that's at. Oh, that's the 200. Oh, yeah. Let's turn them all on. Let's see kind of how we hit today. Where's the 200 at? Oh, it's way down here. Honestly, if we fall below this, we could make our way to the 200. But yeah, let's see. Okay. All right. 42% better. 25% worse. 33 about the same. Hey, love that we got some optimists in here. Hey, let's say my kind of people. Also, the orange guy said he's not firing Powell. That was a big part of the. I don't think he can like fire Powell. I he tried to do this in like what was it 2018 or something. He tried to like he put pressure on Powell in 2018. It's like pretty much, in my opinion, what Trump is doing is he's just trying to transfer the blame to Powell to make him feel that he's trying to like, I don't know, imagine you're playing sports and you really want to intimidate your opponent. That's that's kind of how it is. It's like Powell is not working with him right now, so he's trying to intimidate him into kind of doing what he wants done. He's trying to like, yeah, trying to take advantage of him. Alibaba. Oh, where's Alibaba at today? Let's see. Oh, that probably was good. That news probably was good for Alibaba. Let's see, where's Baba at? Oh yeah, they're up. Yeah, up at 120. It's nice. Powell still have 1 year if Trump pulled his cards and fire Powell. Stocks are. Oh yeah, that would be like terrible. I don't think he can, but we'll see. You think we'll have 4 years of the same? I don't think so. I think things will get better, but 1 year is hard to say. But I think by the end of the 4 years, I think we'll be a lot better economically. I think it's like hard times are always hard when they're occurring, but like when you look back, it's like, dang, I'm glad that happened. It's like there's a lot of things I can look back on in my life, and I'm like, man, this sucks. But then it's like when I look back in the rear view, I'm like, dang, I it really sucked when I was going through it, but I wouldn't have my life any other way because I wouldn't be who I am. So it's like, yo, as a country, what we could be. Let's see who's making money this morning. Hey, we got some people making money. I'm not. I'm not yet. Not yet. Distraction. Amazon is creeping. Whatever they said behind that closed door changed some language. Hey, what's this pullback on Amazon? Amazing to listen to Powell and how extremely careful what he says. Nah, for real. What's I gonna say? What was I gonna say? I was straight up about to say something. Mm. Oh, I think I was about to talk about like Japan. Like it's I believe it's Japan. So yeah, they actually I don't know what country I'm talking about. It was some Asian country. I want to say it's Japan, but it's like they are really about saving money, and like they're really heavy on saving money because of like oh the trauma that their like ancestors kind of went through. So because of that, it's like a lot of them, they kind of do well like financially. They're financially responsible just because of the pain that earlier generations have gone through. And it's like, yo, as you go through pain, you kind of in the future want to prevent that. So because of that, you become more financially responsible in this situation. And if we have more financially responsible Americans, how much better of a situation will we be in? Sure, companies won't do as well, but it's like also if we're not necessarily spending as much on like if we're not all in debt and all that, it's like overall I think we'll be able to manage and do all right. Making a little Tesla, Nvidia Baba Spy, making my money back slowly, continue to hang in there to bring all my profits back. Taiwan. I think he might be right. They brag about how much they can save. The hey, it's like yeah, I don't know. I just know yeah, it's like culturally kind of ingrained to them. I know I got a few friends that are Vietnamese. They're big on saving as well. So it's like, I mean, I feel like everyone should be big on like saving to an extent, but they say culturally they're big on saving as well too. So I need TQQQ to go down. Gotta put. I mean, it should be going down right now. Should be making its way down. Here, let's see. Next issue is going to be student debt. Astronomical. Hey, I'm part of that. I'm part of that. My intention is to have it paid off by this year, but or by the end of this year. But nah, I'm part of that for sure. Like I got the student debt. I kind of just been chilling with paying it off too. Like no aggression to it whatsoever. I I need to get that paid off. I was like, yeah, nah, yeah. I'm definitely part of that though. And I was a little annoyed. I didn't like grow up rich. I didn't grow up poor. And people try to make it seem like if you're black, you get like all these benefits and whatnot. But nah, it's like my parents made just enough money for me to not get any kind of assistance, but also we didn't make enough money for me to uh for them to just like for me to not have to pay for things and to not have to take out debt. So, bro, I got like the worst end of the stick when it came to that. So I got to pay that off. I had a lot of friends that like first off didn't I did all right in college. I did like I got good grades. I got people just like I had friends just skimming by, living the life. Don't get me wrong, I had a good time in college, but hey, just living the life, getting all this financial aid money and blowing it on crazy things. Meanwhile, I gotta like pay for this stuff. I'm like, man, must be nice. All right, let's see. Let's see. Um, Nvidia call is a move. So Nvidia is a swing. One thing about the swings on Derive, a lot of the times when there is a swing on Derive, that swing, like if you take it right when they recommend it, it'll likely go against it. Like there will be like a pullback. There will likely be an opportunity to get it cheaper. So it's like from here, let's say Nvidia pulls back to 100 or whatever. That's something I could still see happening. So just because you see like something happen, like a trade play out directly or like right away, doesn't mean it's gonna like play out right away. So it's like those Nvidia puts could or calls could do well, and honestly they could do well today, but it doesn't. I don't see anything that makes me want to just hop in like right now, other than the fact that Derive recommended it. That's why I'm just watching it right now. I guess I am one of the lucky ones that didn't. Hey, bless. Hey, good stuff, Josh. Hey, one of the lucky ones. Hey, as long as you use it, it's like maybe the fact that I had to pull out loans. Hey, maybe that made me go a little harder. But if you look at me now, I didn't do anything with my degree. I mean, I met my wife in college. That's cool. But beyond that, I don't know what I got from college. I graduated. I didn't even get a real graduation. I got like a 4 second slide on a PowerPoint. But hey, it is what it is. I was on the income driven, but they're taking it away. I think I'm on the income driven too. I think. Honestly, I don't even know. I'll take the quality of life over quantity any day. Depending on like how you interpret that, I'll say it too. Yeah, quality over quantity for sure. Uncle Joe Biden forgave 145K for who? There was like I definitely tried to sign up for like that little thing that didn't pass. Like whenever they were trying to forgive student loans, I was like, yo, I don't want to pay more in taxes, but if I'm going to have to pay more in taxes, I'm like, yo, let me benefit from what I'm paying in taxes. I already paid enough this year for my taxes, so okay. I attended while with white people at a historically wait, I attended with white people at historically black colleges for free. Yo, I know we got like some people that like I know there were like that had to be tough. Cause it's like, yo, there are a lot of black people that are cool with white people, but yo, I met like there was one person in my college. They just straight up just like I was like kind of like surprised by it. It was this one girl I met, and like she just straight up like just hated white people. I'm like, yo, why don't you go to a historically black college? Like if you just straight up like hate them as like people in general. And like she was in a leadership position. I'm like, yo, I don't think you should. Like it's like, yo, everything was cool with this girl until like she started like expressing like, oh yeah, I don't like that. She just straight up doesn't like white people, and it's not just white people too. It's like I don't know. I was just like, dang. I'm like, why do you go here? This school is like there's a good like probably at least 40% of the school is white. What do I have a degree in? So I went to wait. Hold on. Let me. We think Inspire raises more or drops. I'm expecting some sort of drop here. We're below the 13 EMA. We've gotten like actually I'm expecting a drop, but we'll see. All right. So Baba just bought millions from Nvidia, so that may boost them. So I have I went to school for nursing, did like I got into nursing school, did probably like 3 semesters of nursing school, but I like dropped out. It was not for me. Like I had to repeat 1 semester, but like after that it's like once I got to like past the semester I repeated, it's like yeah, I was like I don't even want to do this. Like I'm like this isn't even like like worth it. I didn't like enjoy it because they said like the first one was like kind of like freshman initiation, but once I got into it, I was like I really don't enjoy this. So I like dropped out, and the closest I was gonna go to business because that sounded better, but I was also just trying to like finish. So the closest thing to finish was nutrition. So it was just an extra year just to take all my credits and then graduate with a year in or degree in nutrition. If I could go back to high school again, would I do career path knowing shoot, if I could go back in the yo, I tried to when I was in high school, I tried to get into like the stuff for like the computers and like the cameras and stuff like that. And we had to apply for it. And it's like I never got into it, but hey, look at me now. Hey, I got nice computers, nice cameras. I'm doing a lot more than all the people who actually had those. It's like I'm on YouTube with it. It's like it's cool. It's like I'm not like a high production setup, but it's like yo, I've always been into that stuff and kind of loved it. And it's like I would definitely like have more involvement in that. Also enjoy. I would do something trade related. So I like knew like I probably like I took some classes where I did like some woodworking and stuff like that too. I like a lot of hands-on stuff. I don't know. But yeah, it'd probably be a trade. I think college or take a trade money wise, like trade school is gonna do like is way better money wise, but college is it's really more about networking to me, in my opinion. Higher education is overrated. Yeah, I think so. I don't think you should ever stop learning, but I think like the way that you learn in college, like that's very overweight rated in my opinion. Like the way it's like, oh yeah, you got to learn all the subjects again, like all the core subjects again, and like a lot of it was easier than high school for me. So it's like it wasn't until like it's the sciences were like okay, it's like I actually had to try for those, but everything else, all the core subjects, it's like yo, we're just paying money for these classes, and they're just taking our money, and it's like not cool. Hey, what's up, Achu? Hope all is well. They didn't forgive mine, but they def held it for a long time. I know how. Yeah, Quiana, I'm right here with you. Something in my throat. What's even crazier after graduating the school, still asking for money? Yes, yeah, they want like yeah, they're like, oh yeah, alumni support the school. It's like y'all, nah. Hey, maybe one day, if I got it like that, then I'll come in there. I'll be like, y'all don't need this. But yeah, here's some money for y'all to have fun. I don't know. We'll see. One day, maybe. We'll see. Americans are spoiled and our government has failed us. Only 1% of us really gained and middle class will go away. So I would definitely agree Americans are spoiled, but like honestly, I'll say like most, like from my experience and whatnot, it's like I would say most governments are kind of bad, but I would just say it's the spoiledness that kind of has the governments like that because I think if we weren't so spoiled, we would just take matters into our own hands. I feel like anyone who takes matters into their own hands, kind of, sees like, hey, we paint the picture of what our life is, and it's like the government can make things harder, but it's like we can still live great lives no matter kind of what the government, as long as they're not like I don't know, as long as they're not like holding us at gunpoint like Squid Games, like saying, "Oh yeah, move over here," all that kind of stuff. It's like yeah, we can still live great lives with the amount of freedom we have. White people get free education at historically black colleges. Oh, that's wild. I mean, well, I don't know what to say. Yeah, I don't know. Wife got her student loans forgiven. That's nice. My wife was on a full ride, so don't have to worry about her college. So that's cool. Racism is always yeah, racism can be weird. If it drops, it's coming back after hours. Honestly, that's kind of been the story. That's why it's like, yo, I'm getting out when it drops. I was raised in RGV, which is 95%. Oh, Rio Grande Valley, I got you. I was shocked when I made the move to Houston, but yo, I my high school was probably like one of the most diverse, like good portion of everything, like everything. And it's like I didn't even like I was like cool with like everyone, every kind, and it's like honestly like when I think about all the football teams, it's like we had like the whole color. We would play a black team, we would play a white team, we would play like teams with whatever. Like the white teams would have like oh the black guy, or there would be like their good guy would be the black guy or whatever, and it's like We're playing all these teams that are predominantly one race. We're like a mix of everything. We got like Asians, we got Indians, we got like black guys, white guys, Mexicans, everything on my team. And it's like, yo, we're balanced. Actually, I would say it's still majority, like not majority. So majority will probably be like on the teams would be black and white, but school wise, it's like I'd probably say like 30-40% white. And it's like nah, we had a good mix. And I would say it was kind of like similar when I got to my college too. But it's like when I see all the other places, it's like, yo, there is like dominance of something. And it's like kind of weird to me. Yeah, nursing, very, very extensive. What do you think of Isn't that like Pinterest? Let's see. I see a double bottom. Like on the 4 hour, it looks like it wants to run. Let's look at it on the weekly. I don't know. It looks like a good area to pick it up long term, but don't really have much to say about it at the moment. I got my degree in construction management, but I think the robots will. Um, I mean, honestly, yeah, that's a lot of things. I feel like robots will take things, but it's like keep learning, keep like find what makes you you, find what you can do that they can't do, or just focus on what you love. And it's like, yo, you'll if you stay focused, you'll be able to do your thing. Hold on, let's see. All right, so that spy puts at 140. Oh, hold up. Sorry, I got some Facebook Market stuff. Uh, all right, there we go. Sorry, had some Facebook Market stuff going on. Okay, let me see. Farm destroys grades. Farm. Me. Oh, like pharmacology maybe? Started in video production, graduated with business. Hey, video production is definitely like more fun. I feel like that's to me that's more of a like life experience kind of thing. Video production. Those emails and calls don't stop for hey, for real. Emails, they send me like they track me down every time I move. They know where I'm at. They send me letters, all that stuff. My wife also got, hey, that's a blessing, Henry. I was an emo kid in high school and skateboarded. I missed up. Hey, I used to skateboard too. Um, I wasn't crazy at it. I got a pop shove it in me. I got uh, I probably got like three kick flips to my name. And yo, I was like, hey, I'm a good old school skateboarder. Like I'll like run, I'll flip the board, hop right back on it like before it lands. Hey, I'm a cool like, yo, I'll be cool like picking a hand. I look cool. I can do the thing where you like sweep the board up and like with your foot and then hop on it. Yo, I can look cool. But yeah, I wasn't like crazy good at it though. I wouldn't say I wasn't like an emo kid, but it's like I was friends with them. I was friends with like everybody though. I was in Alabama, lived there till I graduated college. So much. Oh yeah, yeah. That's kind of the perception of Alabama. Okay, oh, SPY dropping a little bit. Okay, hold up. Let's see. I'm going to look to take profits here. Let's see. Can I get to the contract? Where we at? Yeah, I'm gonna go on. Oh, hold on. Press too many contracts. All right, so I just took profit on the put, sold out at 157. Or on the 520 puts, I sold out. I'm still in those other puts. Let me alert the family. Just took profit on SPY 520 puts, sold at 157 per share. All right. All right, so got a little win in today. Let that kind of do its thing. All right, so yeah, that's chill. We'll see if they come back for some more. All right, now where we at? It's about where are you from. If you raised in a society that condemns, it's weird. If you're raised around a society, nah, yeah, 100%. My wife and I were having this conversation yesterday too. Like just like how much like your environment and whatnot like affects you. Cause like me and my brothers, like yo, they're my brothers, but we're like we're similar, but we're different. Like we definitely have stuff in common, but it's like my life is completely different from theirs because and we all grew up the majority of our life like house like where we grew up same age, but it's like I would say they grew up more in a place and time, or they developed like kind of socially more in a less diverse area, and then by the time we moved like to our school district, the district we were in, it's like I kind of went through the entire district, like where we were. They like moved like kind of like when they were in like fifth or sixth grade, so it's like completely different for them. Whereas like I grew up like just full diversity. I agree with you, Chase. Skated every day except in winter. Oh yeah, I feel y'all. All right, Spy coming down some more. That's cool. That's cool. Come on down. Come on down, bro. Yeah, and don't get me started about the Tony Hawk, the pro skater video games. I had like all of them. All of them. Fun fact: I met Tony Hawk at my college. Actually, didn't really get to talk to him. It was more I just got to shake his hand, but yo, I got a picture somewhere with Tony Hawk. I look kind of in it though. Def got a minor in cinema and tell. Hey, that sounds fun. Nollie shove it and heel flips. Okay, I see you. I see you, Chase. No, definitely gotta get back on the board. Hey, there goes Walmart. All right, there goes the market. Okay, let's see if we make a move to 535. That's kind of where I had the support at. Those spy puts are up. The ones I sold out of are up at about 185 now. Let's check. See. Oh, 190. Okay. Look at them go. Look at them go. I took profit, but I had to get the win. Those puts from yesterday, trying to recover a little bit. If things get nasty, hey, we'll come up on those. All right, let's see. Let's see. Age gap. Me too. We built a half pipe to ride on. Not a lot of concrete in town. Oh no, I know what you mean there. Hey, you're very welcome, mommy. Thank you for coming through. We have a lot of media, TV education in here. My degree is, oh, nice, nice. Radio and TV journalism. My thing is they're starting these some of these degrees are starting to get a little dated. Hold on. I just got an alert on Apple. Let's see what level Apple is crossing. I think it has to be like 203 or something. Oh, I guess 204. Yeah, it's looking like we're starting to come down. All right, hey, okay. So like I was saying, guys, look, my thesis this morning about this being a fake out. If this really is a fake out, yo, we're about to sell off because this is a trend line, and yeah, we're yeah, it's more than likely we're gonna come down hard. But there is also the possibility that this is like, say we come down to a 1 hour. Don't forget the break and retest is a thing. So we got a break over here. Say this is just a retest. We can also bounce and go up. So I'm just presenting the information. What you do with it, hey, that's on you. Here, let's see. Yeah, Walmart. Hey, Walmart's doing a little droppy thing. Wait, what is? Okay, let's see. Hold on, I missed some comments. Hold up. The Inspire gonna? Hey, it's very well possible it could. Like once again, I just showed y'all what's possible. Showed y'all on some different time frames. We got 30 minutes left on this candle, but we'll have to see. Been watching Walmart. I put in when you. Okay, cool. It's always confusing to me when I was new at trading when you have a 520 put and you get profit way before that. Well, that's yeah. It's like when I enter a trade, it's like what I look at now is like I kind of look at the delta, and I look at where it is when I enter, or like how much it is, and I'm like, okay, every dollar it moves towards that price, like that's what this is going to give me to. So it's like I don't pay as much attention to the strike price as opposed to like how much the contract actually costs when I buy it now and how long I intend to ride it. You said what's my low prediction? So we're at this trend line right here. So there's this here. I also had like 540 or 535. If we break 535, yo, we could come back down and go back to a 4 hour. Yeah, it's like we still have a gap that's not filled to like 515. If we want to go for that today, hey, I won't be mad. That way my other puts can come back. But honestly, we just have to see. It's like the market loves to play these games. So this is just I'm just hold through these extremes. Kuyana, when you say W, are you trying to talk about Walmart? If so, that's a WMT. I have a question. Why doesn't that bid price move as much as the ask? So the bid price is so understanding what the bid and the ask is. So the bid price is the highest price that anyone is willing to pay for it. So understand if somebody is willing to pay the ask price, the bid is still going to be the same because it immediately gets filled. Whereas like if someone sets a limit order for a certain number and it's like, okay, it's going to stay at that price, the limit order is going to be the bid, or the highest limit order is going to be the bid. But if somebody's trying to get in right away, they're usually buying at like the market price or buying at the ask because they're trying to get in. So that might be one reason. There's not like a specific reason I can think of, but it's just like understanding like as people say, oh, this is moving closer and moving further, you might see the ask move more than the bid. Especially if something's rocketing up, it's like, oh yeah, let me raise this up because I know I can get more for it now. Let's see. I have an associate of science and never really. Hey, I feel you, Evil Knievel. Hey, I could start a nutrition program. Like I can like if I'm going to do anything like monetarily and make money with it, yeah, I can start a nutrition program. It's like I have a lot that I want to do in the future. Like it's like, yo, Matthew Manuel signing off. I want to change your life. I don't want to just change your life with the stock market. I want to like change your life. I want you to live a healthier life. Like I'm about that. I believe if you live a healthier, more disciplined life, like if you're in the gym, if you're eating right, stuff like that, that'll translate to stocks. That'll translate to money. That'll translate to like I don't know. Some of y'all may be single. Some of y'all may be struggling like finding a partner. That'll translate to emotional stability. It's gonna be hard. Like I know I meet a lot of people where they can't regulate their emotions. It's like if you're doing all these things, if you're disciplined, you're better able to regulate your emotions. And to my guys out there listening, and if you're single and wondering like why you're having trouble with the ladies, hey, ladies may not even realize it, but they do these things. They test you. It's in their nature. It's like women are cyclical creatures. It's like there's always going to be something they do. They may not intend to get your better, that like to get the best of your emotions, but they're going to test your emotional stability. And if you're not emotionally stable, if you can't be unmesswittable, yo, you're gonna struggle. So it's like all these things. I want you to live a better life overall. It's like it's like yo, we got level up in every way possible, and it leads to more money, leads to better personal interactions, all that kind of stuff. And yeah, I want to do it all. I just don't have the time and energy and life force. It's like over time, like hey, yo, catch me in 10 years, we might have all that built out, but hey, it's cool. All right, let's see. Yo, I was 500 in the red with Spy. Bet you're up though. Think of break and retest. Think we're going back up. Hey, it very well could happen. Very well could happen. We still got like 24 minutes on this 4 hour candle. Let's go down to the 1 hour, see how we're looking. Yeah, right now this 13 EMA is holding up. Hold up. We're only at 82 likes. Come on, family. Come on, family. We can do better than that. Do I need to show y'all CCOT in El Salvador again? Let me pull that up for y'all real quick. Y'all must not know what the consequence. Oh wait, hold up. Now I'm not looking for cenotes. CCOT. Yeah, let me show y'all what's waiting if we don't get 100 likes. Oh, if we don't get to our like oh hold up, what's going on? If we don't get to our like count, yo, this is our life. Yo, prison cells hold 150. Right now they're averaging about 80 people. Two toilets per cell. You got 80 people sharing 2 toilets with no privacy. You got the water right next to the toilets. So hey, y'all, hey, be sure to smash that like button. Save us from these conditions. All right, let's see. I thought the trend line was under the candle 3 minute on the SPY. It's gonna depend what time frame you're looking at. So it's like if you move, like as you change different time frames, you're going to see different things. So it's like right now, if we look at the EMAs on the, oh wait, hold up. lower time frame, yo, we're crossed down below. On the 5 minute, oh yeah, we're getting across right now. So if we want to see if we're having more downside, or if we want another downside entry, potentially wait for a retest of this 13 EMA, assuming that we don't break and continue to go above this. This is going to be your entry to ride more downside, and I would probably look for like wherever this 200 EMA is, or about this 35.50 level that I have here. Oh, okay, I got you, Quiana. I got you. Not good at explaining what percent, but hey, good stuff, DGZ. Hey, you're very welcome. Shots by Mitch. Got a 535 on SPY. Oh, you got a call? I hope you're not cooked. I feel like you should be good if you're, depending on when you got the call. Like if you took it from yesterday, you should still have profit to take. If you bought it today, like if you bought it up here, that might be cooked, but it's like you can do stuff. You said when do you plan to get out of Walmart? So this Walmart is a swing. This is a 4 hour trade, so I feel like I can see it at least. I don't know. I feel like it has potential to come to like $90 or $91 at least. I'm kind of gonna play it by ear. It doesn't. The expiration is not this Friday, but next Friday. So I think once it loses momentum on the 4 hour, I might get out. But it's like for me, I didn't get in the put that they called today. Like that $90 put. I don't know how it's doing, but I'm sure that put is doing a lot better than the one I'm in. All right, let's see. Okay, 40% on Walmart. Hey, good stuff, family. Much thanks on the SPY. Hey, cool. Help me stay positive. Going through a hard time job. Hey, Josh, I feel you, bro. I feel you very much. Job wise, bro, it's tough out there. My wife had been looking for jobs like almost like 8 months now. I mean, she had to switch the nature, and like it's gotten to a point where we had to kind of start our own thing and start paying her that way because it's not it's like you'll have all these interviews, or like first off it's tough to get interviews, and then it's like when you get the interviews it's like they ask for so much now. I know like one of our good friends, homegirl, she got an interview. They've had like 5 rounds of interviews. Honestly, I'm not sure. I don't think she's gonna take the job, but she had like 5 rounds of interviews, and they have her doing like a lot of stuff, like a lot. So it's like they're trying to get you to full on work before you're working, and it's like insane. The stock market will teach you emotional stability if you stick with it. Yeah, you may have to take some breaks from it, but yeah, this will definitely teach you some emotional stability. Trading shows my true lack of discipline, psychological and mental self-control. I thought NBA 2K and oh wow, yeah, that's a whole nother level. 2025 is not too late for lurkers. Oh yeah, lurkers, come out. Come out. We need you. We need you. Stop lurking. Oh wait, yeah. Stop lurking. Start liking. Yeah, cause we might end up in CCOT. The way it's looking right now. How did you set up your mindset for swing trading? I don't know. I kind of just like, I don't know. There was a period when I had stopped trading, and like, I don't know. I would see on social media, I'm like, yo, if they're like, I would see all these people winning, and it's like, yo, some people, it's like, okay, I don't believe they're actually winning, and it's like it's fake, but like, no, there are people that seem like genuine and authentic, and I'm like, and there are people like you see live, and it's like, oh yeah, they're doing this and they're doing it consistently, so it's like, no, there has to be a way, and it's like you kind of see it and you notice it's like, okay, they're honed in on one strategy. So it's like I don't necessarily work like them, but it's like I see they have one strategy, and I started just like looking at the different strategies, finding what works best for me. And it's like I don't know, just over time, it's like I kind of like just watch the charts, and I'm like, okay, is this going to do what I thought it was going to do? And it's like, oh yeah, it did, but it took longer than I thought it was. So then it's like you start experimenting with like just kind of like different time frames and stuff. And then like as you're experimenting, it's like you realize, oh yeah, it takes about this long. And it's like, okay, like I don't know, it takes about this long, and like 8 or 9 times out of 10 it goes and hits the target. So it's like, oh, why am I not trusting it? It's like, oh, the problem is I'm not getting enough time. It's like, okay, we gotta start acting on that. We gotta like allow for the time. So it's like it's gotten to a point where it's like this Robinhood feature where you can add stuff to a watch list has been beautiful, because it's gotten to like I've legit watched trades go from like $200 down to being worth 8 cents, up to being up like $800, all the same contract. And it's like, okay, it's doing what I charted. It's taking a little longer than I expected. And then like it's like, oh, honestly, at the point when I would start to get out, that's when it's like going crazy. So it's a little tough, but it's like I just gotta remember like the conditions and like what's possible, because I've seen what's possible and know what's out there. It's like, yeah, you kind of have to be a little bit emotionless with it, because it's like I've noticed like whenever I'm like scared, like it's like I'm not scared to I'm not scared when it goes up and it's time to take profits, but I'm scared when it's down and it's the profits are going away. Like it's like if I had like if I had like to take 10% every time, I think I could do it. Y'all, we need to bring the challenge back. We need to bring the Robinhood challenge back for yeah, we need to bring the challenge back though. Hey, 100% we need to bring that back. The like part of my struggle has been like just I don't know, part of my struggle has been like the consistency. But yeah, I really want to bring that challenge back. Oh, you said check out the VIX. The VIX is kind of chilling. Like we're coming down, but the VIX is kind of chilling. Let's see. Oh, the no. Okay, so the VIX. Okay, it's going up. It's going up. So it's going to fill in the gap right now. Okay. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, this is a no lurk zone. Coin term coined by DJ GZ. Hey, no lurk zone. No flex zone. No lurk zone. Is Trump talking today? Honestly, he probably is. Like I don't even know, but he probably is. Find out what kind of work from home jobs are offered in your state. Hey, that's what we were trying to do. It's easier said than done. She does have a job. It's just like the job doesn't like it doesn't pay crazy. It's like I think we pay her better than our job does. Jobs have cycles. Look for one that's on demand. No one wants to do. Hey, Honestly, I would say we're chilling right now. I think we're in a really good place. Like she doesn't have a job, but she has a job, so it's cool. Like honestly, though, like if she has a job that she really doesn't like, that's gonna weigh down on me, and that's gonna kill my ability to earn. So I think we're better whenever yeah she likes what she's doing. So all right, so spy intensifying. Okay, so we got the other buy puts trying to do their thing. Yo, where those go down to? Yo, those puts were down at 26. That's wild. Yeah, now those puts are up at 51. So that's about 100% from where those were trading earlier. Here, let's see. You think SPY can reach 540? Uh where we are now, I'm doubtful. Like I'm. It looks like it's trying to come down now. We still got like 11 minutes on this candle, so we'll see. Like this 4 hour candle, we got 11 minutes on, but we'll have to see. I'm more more looking at the I would see how we do at this 535 level. Here, let's see. I'm looking for a strategy so I can just play with it. I'm not trying to make bank. $5 a day is fine with me. Hey, yeah, we might have to get that challenge started up again. I gotta open up stop. Y'all make. Hey, have a good day, DGZ. Stay blessed. Hey, no lurks on. DGZ. Spy, yes, the spy is tanking. It is zoomed out on what? On the spy? Right now, yeah, this is very much looking like a fake out though. Yeah, this is looking like a great spot for a short. Let me take a look at Derive, see if they got anything interesting. Nah, they have not put anything new. But they still have those old puts. Yeah, their spy put hit. Yeah, let's take a look at Tesla real quick. Oh no, that probably already played out. Um, yeah, they don't have anything new. Okay, got it today for Walmart. VIX is up. Okay. So as the VIX comes up, the VIX goes up. Options contracts get more expensive, and then also yeah, the VIX just kind of goes up whenever the market's coming down. That's just showing more fear coming into the market. Yeah, and I just checked. There's nothing new on Derive. Indeed, work from home. That's how I found my job going on. Okay, well if you so yeah, three years ago, getting a job, yeah, it was a lot. It was the job market was a lot different. Yeah, my I think my wife had like I think that's around the time my wife got her current job, and she had like options whenever it was picking. But now it's like yo, it's like my wife used to apply for jobs, and she used to like they used to like she'd get interviews so fast, but like nah, now it's like it's a struggle even getting an interview. Watched a video yesterday about a pro trader experienced a busted trade, lost 116,000 on 4 contracts. He thought he, dang, that's wild. Oh, they were on spreads. Okay, yeah, that's yeah, spreads. There can be elevated risk with spreads sometimes. So it's like I personally, what was I gonna say? Like I don't, or at least that's usually the credit spreads, but yeah, there can be elevated risk on spreads, and so I personally like I don't trade Spreads a crazy amount right now. Let's see. Let's see. I'm writing down to 510 on a swing or waiting for a reversal signal. I think honestly I think right now is a great time. Like chart wise, looking at the 4 hour, this was my thesis. Y'all, if y'all watch the watch list, yo, we have been following this trend line since April or March 26th. Last time we got a fake out like this, sold off. Looks like we're doing the same thing. Yeah, legit the last time we got like a huge, you know, I might get, how long did this take? This was last time we did it. I might get something crazy. So this was, what was this? This was the end of the day, April 25th. And towards the bottom, this was, okay, so that was 3 days. So if I get like a week, let me see if I can find anything just crazy. Let me see. So what's the week, like the 2nd of May? Dang. Honestly, even the stuff that seems crazy is kind of pricey. What if we take 2 days off? Bro, I was hoping for some like 8 cent contracts. Nah, all the ones that should be like 8 cents, they're like 40, 50. I'm like, oh no, yeah, I'm not. Yeah, we're not making that happen. Feel like every resume I submit, good. Hey, for real, Josh. Is it very much seems that way. That's what happens to me. I always get out because I've lost by not getting out. So took 70 versus 280. It's like that. It's like that. They like to make it run. So yeah, it's like I could have got like an extra 70 per share on the ones we were in today, but not tripping. If we go down, I still have those other puts. What's I about to do? I was very much so about to do something. All right. Here, let's see. You can send resumes super quick. No, yeah, I mean, we've used Indeed. Yeah, Indeed is, yeah. Honestly, that's how I've gotten a lot of my jobs. Like whenever I worked at Amazon, I got it on Indeed, or at least Amazon in Texas when I did the delivery driving for Amazon. All right, so I'm really just interested to see how this closes, and then we'll probably call it a day. Let's see. Yeah, we got a couple minutes left on this count. It's looking like it's trying to hold up a little bit. It's trying to hold up. This, hey, it might push up. It's possible. You were looking at low dollar put. Yeah, I was looking at low dollar puts, and then yo, I didn't see it. I didn't see anything. Let me do one more check on Derive. Okay, we hit the like count. Hey, we're free from El Salvador. Unless somebody wants to play games, I don't know. I don't know. People like to do it sometimes. Here, let's see. What if you did a 516 expiration 56 put SPLG? Let's see. You said 56. Okay, so 56 is wild because wait, actually, never mind. Well, that's not here. Let's. You said it's 23 cents. I still think price wise that's about in line with. Well, actually, you got more time, but I feel like the open interest for those are like or on SPLG is going to be like nothing. Let's see. 56. You said put. Oh no, yeah, the spread on that's crazy already too. Yeah, it's like a $10 spread. The bid's 20 and the ask is 30. So I'm not a fan like whenever there are spreads like that. That's usually like really hard to get out of. So that would be my objection there. All right, so we got that candle close. We're kind of like right there. So because of let's see how it looked last time. So honestly, like it's like right there on the line. So we're kind of gonna need to see what happens to this candle. So yo, I'm gonna call it a day right there. It can go up, it can go down. This candle is going to give us information. If it kind of just stays pinned, yeah, I don't know. But yeah, that's going to do it for the day, family. Hey, appreciate each and every one of y'all for coming through. Um, yeah, we're in an interesting spot right now. As of right now, for like what I had charted, actually like what I had charted for resistance this morning actually kind of held up, and we're pretty close to where I had charted where for support. So yeah, this is the range. So this I guess about 535 to 545 until we like actually break. That's gonna be the range for the day, family. I appreciate each and one every one of y'all for coming by. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Let's see. Peace out, Milky Faye. Peace out, Edie Silver. Peace out, Yoko. Peace out, Evil Knievel. Peace out, Josh. Peace out, Sherry. Peace out, D Skirv. Peace out, Mass 3DRC. Peace out, M Sense. Wait, okay. Walmart put. Oh no, M Sense. Hey, well, hopefully it does its thing today. Peace out, Kareem. Peace out, Quiana. Peace out, Christine. Peace out, Big Reg. Peace out, Frank. Peace out, Milky Fade. Peace out, Elegant Boom. Oh yeah, appreciate y'all for getting us where we need to go with the likes too. Peace out, Hope 10. Peace out, Breeze. Oh, okay, spy. Hey, it's looking like it's trying to come down, but also y'all still got another 4 hours on these candles, so know that. Yeah, so yeah, that's gonna do it for the day, family. Hey, peace out, Chase. Maybe pick up a skateboard, hit one of those heel flips, and yo, feel like a kid again. It's always good. I'm riding around on my ripstick and stuff. Don't know if you saw my Instagram story, but I like ride that thing every day. But yeah, anyways, yeah, y'all stay blessed, family. Love y'all. Peace out.